I'm sure you've heard the news. Vegan food is taking over summer 2025. This year, the vegan scene is hotter than ever, with innovative dishes and fresh flavors perfect for the sunny season. Ready to dive into the hottest trends? Whether you're a seasoned vegan or just curious, these trends will make your summer meals unforgettable. Let's go! Trend 1. Tropical fusion salads. Think mango chili lime bowls bursting with flavor. These salads are a burst of tropical goodness in every bite. Picture juicy mango slices, crunchy greens, and a zesty dressing that'll make your taste buds dance. These salads are perfect for a quick lunch or a refreshing side dish at your next barbecue. Ready in 10 minutes and perfect for a sunny day. Imagine enjoying this vibrant dish under the warm sun, surrounded by friends and family. Trend 2. Fermented veggie tacos. These aren't your average tacos. We're talking bright, gut-friendly fillings wrapped in colorful tortillas. Fermented veggies are not only delicious but also great for your digestion. Imagine the crunch of perfectly fermented veggies with every bite. So fresh, so vibrant. These tacos are a fun and healthy twist on a classic favorite. Trend 3. Aquafaba ice cream. Creamy, dreamy, and totally sustainable. This innovative ice cream is made from aquafaba, the liquid from chickpeas. This dairy-free delight is made from chickpea water. It's a game changer for those looking for a plant-based treat. Scoop it up and drizzle with your favorite fruit sauce. Whether you prefer berry compote or tropical mango, the possibilities are endless. It's the coolest way to chill this summer. Perfect for poolside parties or a simple afternoon treat. Trend 4. Edible flower dishes. Instagram-worthy and oh so tasty. From floral-infused smoothie bowls to salads sprinkled with petals. These dishes are not only beautiful but also add a unique flavor to your meals. These dishes are almost too pretty to eat. Perfect for impressing your guests at your next garden party. Perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your meals. These dishes are sure to be a hit on social media too. So there you have it. 4 sizzling vegan trends to spice up your summer 2025. Dive in and enjoy these delicious, innovative dishes. Thanks for watching and happy eating!